Not only are these marketing tools, but these are insanely valuable tools for the entire recruiting industry, no matter what industry you're recruiting for, right?
Absolutely.
Chris's marketing mind is something that I have never seen.
Innovative, genius.
A good friend of mine, Chris Kurtz from Mediatwist, he's involved with, Monster Jam and Monster Trucks and everything motorsport for a long, long time. And we're sitting in this restaurant talking about, my bucket list. And he says like, hey, do you want to drive a monster truck? And I lit up like a little kid, oh, hell yeah,
Feld Entertainment is Disney on Ice, Monster Jam, Barnum Bailey Circus, Supercross, Arena Cross. And I was the guru during that whole evolution from traditional media placements to this new thing and how we were going to spend money on this new thing called social media. I spent the last 20-something years going hard in social media marketing.
We've figured out the spice of life by traveling and doing business, and we have an opportunity to work with some of the coolest CEOs. We connect big people and big projects together, and that's what I've always been good at doing.
This dude is on a different level. I mean,
Absolutely.
Chris is on a different, absolutely different level. And from the first 30 seconds that I walked into his boardroom, it was for he and I mean, it was just this weird, I've known you in a previous lifetime of feeling. Like, this guy is saying everything that I'm thinking that I don't have the ability to necessarily put in words. But this guy is doing, are you in my head, dude? It was one of those things.
What's up, LeVar Arrington here. Dropping a short note about my man, Chris Kurtz. I call him the captain. Dude is really more like the mad scientist. I've not met any company or anyone that does things the way and at the level and type of care that Chris Kurtz does it at.
When I was in school, went to James Madison University from 2009 till 2013. We had no classes on a lot of things that were relevant in the marketing world. Whatever I learned in 2 years could be irrelevant.
I mean, Chris is going to be that guy. Our college students, our college kids that are getting into the world of marketing or starting a business or entrepreneurship or any of those categories. This dude is the guy that is going to give students priceless information on the way that the real world works today.
I give him an amazing review on the type of work he does. Just super happy with the work that I did with Chris Kurtz.
Being alive right now during this intense shift in attention focus to timeline and social media has me giddy and excited to live every minute of the day out and be able to come up with new ways and new techniques and tools to grab attention. To my surprise, some of my early mentors in marketing and advertising have since turned to me to show them the modern world of marketing. Building your brand should start earlier than college, but definitely by the time you're in college, you should be there to build your brand. I believe that the youth are the future. We're currently alive during the death of the factory. No longer do we have to report to a building and punch in.